What's the meaning of bigness? Bigness. Bigness.
Bigness. Bigness. The word bigness generally refers to the quality or state of being large in size, extent, amount, importance, or influence. It can be used to describe physical, conceptual, or metaphorical things. When something is considered big, it often implies magnitude, significance, or power. The concept of bigness can be relative and subjective, depending on the context in which it is used. For example, a building can be considered big compared to a person, but small compared to a mountain. Similarly, a company can be considered big in terms of its market share, but small compared to its industry's leaders.